In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply via Common Application. To get started, head to the Common App website and select Create an Account. From there, choose the option that matches your situation, such as first-year student or transfer student. As you sign up, use a reliable email address that you check often. This is important because colleges and the platform itself may send updates, reminders, and important notifications there, so you do not want to miss anything. Before you begin filling everything out, take a few minutes to gather the materials you will need. Having these ready in advance makes the application process much smoother and helps you avoid stopping halfway through to look for information. You should have your high school transcript available, including details like your GPA, class rank, and coursework. If you plan to submit standardized test scores, keep your ACT or SAT information nearby as well. It is also helpful to prepare a list of extracurricular activities, such as clubs, volunteer experience, jobs, or leadership roles. In addition, you will need parent or guardian information, including their education levels and occupations. Once you are ready, move into the My Common App tab. This is the main part of the application, and the information here is shared with the colleges you apply to. You will complete several sections, starting with your profile, where you enter your basic demographic and contact details. Next is the family section, which asks for information about your parents and siblings. After that, complete the education section with details about your high school experience and any honors you have received. You will also find the activities section, where you can list up to 10 of your most meaningful extracurriculars. Focus on the ones that best reflect your involvement, responsibility, and impact. Then there is the writing section, where you upload your main personal essay. The Common App provides several essay prompts to choose from, so pick the one that allows you to tell your story clearly and authentically. After the main application is complete, go to the College Search tab. This is where you look up schools and add them to your application list. Once you add a college, it will appear under the My Colleges tab. From there, review each school carefully, because many colleges require additional questions or supplemental essays. These extra requirements can vary from school to school, so be sure to read each section closely before submitting anything. Take your time, save your progress as you go, and review every answer carefully for accuracy. A thoughtful, complete application can make a strong impression.